All right, what's going on, guys? This is to help you download any indicator that you buy, whether it's from me or anybody. Okay, so if you get divergence, if you get market structure, you get price predictor, this is how you do it. Okay, so you want to log into your Ninja Code Solutions account, right? Once you log into your account, you want to go down here to where it says downloads, right? Go to downloads. You click on downloads, right? It's going to pull up anything that you downloaded, right? Anything that you purchased should be under downloads. You click that link, the big orange link, and it's going to download it to your computer, right? Once it downloads it, once it downloads to your computer, all you do is pull up NinjaTrader, go to your control center, right? So it's downloaded to your computer now. You want to go to control center, you want to go to tools, import NinjaScript add-on. All right. Give it a second. Sometimes it take a little longer than usual. So give it a second. It's going to pull up a file. Make sure you know where you downloaded the file to. So mine is already downloaded into my downloads. So once you get it downloaded, all you got to do is double click on whatever the file is you want to load, whether it's the copy trader, whether it's replicanto, market structure, VWAP, whatever you want to load, you just double click on it. Bam, bam. Once you double click on it, it's going to say whatever thing right here, automatic, blah, blah, blah. Yes. I already had one existing. I was just showing you how to reload it. So you can replace it, yes, but normally you won't have that because this is new. All right, hold on. Why is my stuff? Okay, there it is. Focus on me. All right. So now that it says requires shutdown, now that why is my camera doing that? All right, so now it says that it will have to shut down. So you hit OK. All right, you hit OK on there. Now, all you got to do is shut down your computer, shut not the computer, shut down NinjaTrader, open it back up. When you open NinjaTrader back up, all you do is go to your chart, right click on your chart, go to indicator, indicators where it's greater. And normally, if it's more tech, it's going to say more tech right at the top. And whatever indicator you want to add, you just double click it. You double click it, it's going to add it down here to configured. Normally, you don't have to change anything over here, but if you do, this is where you change it at. You just hit apply and OK. It is now added to my chart for me. See that? Bam. It's now added to my chart. Now, how do you use this market structure indicator? All right. I'm going to reload all historical data, and it's going to pull up this zigzag monitor right here. Right? It's going to pull up this monitor right here. Once it pulls up this little monitor right here, I'm going to click on generate prompt, and I'm going to copy this, prompt copy to clipboard. Okay. I'm then going to pull up my chat GPT. You could use the one that Tyler gives you, which is NCS market structure. All you do is paste it right here under ask anything. You hit paste. It's going to paste the file, or it might paste the words. Either way, either the file or the words. And you just hit next or hit the little arrow right here. And it's going to run the prompt that this basically gave you. So all these numbers over here are information that ChatGPT takes and makes it into a trade for you. So setup summary, 1 or 2 sentences, price is moving sideways and keeps flipping direction, but the bigger picture still leans downward. The recent move up is weak and not supported by strong activity. What to do? Sell around 95.2, 95.3 recent top area. Do not sell if price goes to 95.4. So it gives you all the information on how to take that trade. It gives you a entry, a exit, and a stop loss. It gives you all that information. So make sure you read everything so you understand what you're doing. Read everything and then use that information in your regular education of trading and take a good trade based on the information it gave you. Now, if your chat GPT don't make it simple like this, all you do is click ask and tell chat GPT, can you put this information in you put this information in a simple 2 to 3 sentence breakdown and one trade with direction, entry, exit, and a stop loss. That's it. And once you hit next, it's going to put it in a better format that you want it to do. ChatGPT is going to do exactly what you ask it to do. And that's all you have to do with market structure. Once you paste the prompt in here, if it don't come out like mine does, where it's telling you enter the trade here, exit here, here's two targets, you just have to ask, hey, can you put this information in a simple 2 to 3 sentence breakdown in one trade with direction, entry, exit, and stop loss? That's it. And that's how you train your chat GPT to give you the correct format every time you put that prompt in there. And if you guys need any other assistance, have any other questions, just hit me up. I got you. All right. See you guys later.